Hey traders, welcome to episode 387, Thursday edition of the show. Thanks so much. Alright, so we must address, because it's a live coin watch, we're live and we're watching coins, so we can watch Bitcoin first, but we do need to answer the question, after we look at Bitcoin, we must answer which coin could jump next, right? We'll get to it, all right? We got a couple things, assets written down for you. But anyway, look, bear cipher, we're just looking pulse up, upsloping consolidation. So that means if we sold off here, really wouldn't be a big deal. You could probably expect a higher low than your previous low and just continue on up at some point. Really in the middle here, you could form a rising wedge, whatever, but we would anticipate a price around $4,100 for a 76 retrace from X, A, B, C, D. All right, bearish cipher pattern. What we're seeing, we're just seeing it off the, a double bottom, using that double bottom or this trend line that's down sloping as a support when it was once a resistance. Wonderful to see. Remember, all we have to do is Alt-I to give better context. Doesn't look so bullish now, does it? Not in this situation. I mean, like, it looks more, you see what I'm saying? Like, if this was real life, right? And we're looking at this, we had a huge impulse up, upsloping consolidation. We know it's improper. We know we broke out of a channel that we were in for like months. And now we're back testing it as resistance, failing to break it. That's not bullish in this context, but it is bullish in this context, in real life, right? So, Bitcoin might be one of those to rise soon, and that could drive the whole market. And dude, we're just scanning charts and stuff, seeing just lots of potentially poised assets, S coins, altcoins, whatever. First one we can look at, Dash. Yeah, man, Dash. Let's look at the daily on Dash. My bad, dude. Forgot to erase those. My bad. Well, whatever. It's the cat's out of the bag, right? Downsloping channel. You'd been in the structure since December of 2017. We finally got out of it November 2nd. Kept making lower lows. But now we started to make higher lows. We're contracting on price. Have not made higher highs yet. That's okay. Got RSI, bullish divergence, which has turned into bullish convergence on the RSI, right? So, didn't really have bullish divergence in the MACD, whatever, it happens. But down here is real, and quite potentially the momentum shift. First target is the measured move of the small pattern. Second target is from your major daily discernible swing high to low, 3 at 2. Third target, high to low, 50% retrace. Okay, here's one that is poised. This title, which coin? Which is next to jump? Maybe it's Dash, man. Maybe it's Dash. Or maybe it's Red coin. What? Red coin? Yes, S coin. Okay, man. Multiple schools of thoughts here on Red coin, where it could be a falling wedge, but talking to Larley, who's saying, hey man, could also be a bearish, pattern too. It could be a descending triangle-esque, right? Including the parameters. It seems like you're getting more touch points with a falling wedge, but hey man, if you dump here, maybe we would use 1 sat. Yes, 1 sat as support. Not much lower you can go on Red coin, man. All right. So your manufacturing support, you had some back in September of 2017, but pretty low risk, man. Set up your stop. One would set their stops up if they didn't want to get destroyed if it was to dump. But they look, man, low, same low on the daily. Higher levels relative strength on the double, triple bottom, right? So that's class B, bullish divergence. So it's pretty strong. And right here, right in this little area, you got some more bullish divergence, all right? So getting to a breaking point, every time you try to touch this 200 moving average lately, it's been terrible. You've been failing, using it as resistance, all right? But soon Time of reckoning will come when time marches on and we hit this downsloping resistance. What will we do? Will we pop or will we drop? Redcoin then. To answer the question, which is next to jump? Maybe it's Redcoin. Or maybe it's Walton coin. What Walton coin, dude? Weren't those the scrubs that got caught up in a fake promotion? Yeah, that was them. Double bottom, daily, still alive. We had the pump at the, this is a trade setup, but we had the pump and then just, big bearish engulfing candle. Still potential. I still think you got plenty of opportunity down here. Okay. Really do. So, look, man. This thing's been getting beaten down. Lower highs, lower lows since January of 2018. All right. Going on like 13, 14 months now. Okay. Getting there of just complete incessant selling. Something's got to give. Maybe the daily divergence on the oscillators would help us see a reversal. Okay. Look left. Candle close over here. Inception prices. Maybe, man. Which coin is next to jump? Which one, man? Which one? We're staying relevant to the title. Get out of here. That's how we do things now. All right. Maybe it's Neo. Hey, man. Maybe it's Neo, man. I don't know, dude. I can't remember which one it was. Yeah, okay, this was it. Here's Neo, dude. Neo broke out of its downsloping channel. Hey, this was a great trade setup for us that we had, but it was small fry, short term. Look on the, just zoom out a little. X, A, B, C, D. Will you get the bearish bat pattern? It would be a nice, stupendous run. It's been running today, pivoted at the 50-day moving average. It's begun to rally a little bit, all right? But it all started with a little bit of bullish divergence. It started with the higher lows. It started with our entry. Remember that, patrons? I know you do. Patrons, it's pregame night. It's pregame night. We're going to get lit, dude. We've been busting our butts all week. It's Friday Eve. Is anyone even there? Hello? Chat? Somebody? Help me? What is going on right now? Jeez. Whew. Remember, if you're just tuning in, you're enjoying the stuff, the content, the potential which coin will rise analysis, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks. Y'all are amazing. Let's get 100 likes ASAP so we can do the fireworks for Side Girl. Make her happy, okay? Okay, man, there's just a few, man. Whatever, dude. There's plenty others out there. Plenty others. Go look for them. Say to Ethereum. All right, man. Ethereum's still holding on. That top trend line that was once resistance is now support. Getting squeezed in between that support and the 382 resistance. You've just not been able to break it. Not at all, man. Not at all. Wait for Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin breaks the upside. This thing's going to the 50% or 618 between 147.95 and 153. Okay? You just need Bitcoin to run up, man. That's it. And then it's going to go with it. That's it. Zoomed out. You've got potentially a very large rising wedge pattern. We know that, but we're just in the dead middle of it right now. Huge. I mean, the swing between it, December, the low, 83 bucks, 82 bucks, all the way to that high point, 167.74. Monstrous pattern. Okay. So we know we got that, and then we know we got on the daily the potential bearish Gartley. But we have not yet begun to run to the areas we need. The 786 retrace. Remember the bearish bats D is 886. And the Gartley is the 786. So we're looking at those target zones for entry for short positions. And these bearish, potential bearish patterns. Harmonics. Kangs. Okay, I'm going to now, well, I feel like we'd have a revolt on our hands if I didn't look at XRP. but looked at Ethereum, right, before engaging with chat. All right, we're gonna go, man. Monk S, man. Monk S Kappa, because not much Monk S at all. Literally doing nothing, making a lower high than the previous highs. Whatever you want to say, man. I mean, look, anchor point 1 and 2 here, right? If you do it like that, you're still inside the triangle, if there was one. Not a very good one. Okay, just doing 1 and 2. That's it. Never touched again. That's why we have the channel. It makes a lot more sense to be in a channel than a triangle, because you're not doing anything. You're not running back up to these spots again, right? So you can clearly see there is some price contraction because we have higher lows but lower highs. That's it. A story of XRP's life since January, since the beginning of the year, man. Symmetrical triangle, deja vu. Okay, falling wedge target, 37.5 cents, 39.7 cents, 50% retrace, 62% retrace. We're not there yet. We had 382 though, beginning part of the golden zone. Reiteration of this analysis. Okay. That's it, man. Thanks for the 160 people here. Really appreciate it. What's up, William Battles, Anthony Rossano, Miss Cantomo, HB, hey Bradford dude, Conductor, hello man, Choo Choo, TJO, Bob Field, Eternal, Coffee for Crypto, what's up man? 2 bits, hello. What's up, Gordeski man? MK, yeah, InBev's on the list, dude. We'll look at it. What's up, Scour man? What happened? 2 bits, 60k Hertz. What you talking about? 60k Jalen Hurts? Yeah, Hurts when he leaves. Goes to Oklahoma. Hey, Garcia Vega, man. Logos freeze here. The accountant or the CPA, right? Hey, conscious vegan, man. Everybody got you, dude. Norbert Chong, hello. Sam Easy, man. Next time you say something, good things will happen, okay? Appreciate all the support, dude. What's up, Francisco, Verkus Games. Oh, there's Kang Logan, man. What's up, Kang Logan, dude? Did you like the, Did you like what I posted, the meme to you? Samwise Gamgee, dude? Don't be Boromir, dude. What a Boromir thing to say. Yeah, I'm pre-gaming, dude. That's it, man. Sorry. I'm, like, really behind on chat. Just catching up. What's up, DS Cure? Arthur Beeswax, hello. Yeah, everything went down. The stock market went down today. Wow, go figure. 786 retrace. A deep retrace. Bearish divergence out the yin-yang. Had not stopped since the 26th of December, man. Post-Santa rally. Give me a break, man. What's up, my boat plants? Whoa. Where you been, dude? It's been a minute. Glad you're here. ASD. Wolf of Worcester. Worcester sauce, man. Steven Stan, man. Oh my god, dude. We got Zachary, 9-foot couch. Zipper, dude. Holy crap, man. Hey, 720 trading, man. Thanks for being one of like the only active people in our general Discord. Thanks, dude, for the charts, man. Holy crap. I think I got the stream elements things fixed. Or the thing fixed. It was broken. So I want to tip 1 cent. See if it's fixed. Okay. I don't know what they did, man. Somehow my name changed in Stream Elements, and I think that might have had something to do with me doing my YouTube, syncing up my URL. I guess that had to have been it, and that somehow changed my name, and that made the link invalid, so I had to have a new hyperlink for the Stream Elements, you know, URL. No, this is no Grateful Dead, man. This is Fish. It's Fish Jam Sessions, dude. BK. Nowhere to be found today. Yeah, man, we're at Brick Wall, the 786 MK, dude. Brick freaking wall. Mike Amron says, why do I watch you every day? Answer, because you save me from wrecking myself. For me, it stairs up, elevator down. Well, man, Mike, dude, I'm glad I'm able to help at some point. I mean, you know, I'm glad I can be maybe your lighthouse or whatever you want to call it, right? Thanks for watching, dude. Glad to see you get value. Alright, dude, that's what it's about, man. You get a lot of fulfillment for that, from that, whatever. How am I today? I'm alright, Stygian, man. It's Thursday, right? Johnny Bull says, Vets next to the moon, man. Maybe, dude. Momo shift. We've been talking about it. We've been looking at it. We've been analyzing, trade setting it up, whatever. What's up, Reggie? David Wolf? Doing this behind him. Catching up, man. It works. Double chimes, though. Gosh dang, man.
There you go, brother. Can we get a look at Vibes BTC Daily Divergence?
Sure, choo-choo, conductor. Thanks, man, for the 690. Glad to see it works. Yeah, dude, we'll go ahead and put that there, man. All right. Saying divergence? No, sorry, man. Remember, you can't make divergence. Well, I guess you're saying right here. Yeah? Okay. I get you, dude. Nice. Like low, slightly lower low, right? Lower levels of negative momentum. Not bad, dude.
Is that a joint?
Hey, Mitch, can we take a look at Nvidia? That inverse head and shoulders still valid on the daily?
Johnny Bullman, thanks for the 420, dude. It's funny you say that. I was looking at it today, and what did I say? The words I said verbatim. I'm trying to find them. Her power is fading. That's what I said, dude.
Is that a joint?
Testing 1,2,3. Is this thing on? Hope you all having a great week. Let's get this Mardi Gras party started on the Friday night stream. Big Easy FDW.
Party's getting started whenever y'all want it to get started, okay? Skyward Man, thanks for the 420. Is that a joint contribution? It's been a cleansing week, I guess you could say. I had these people, this like company, come out and take, I don't know, probably over 2 tons worth of stuff from my house, like probably 80% of the crap in my house, and I didn't even use any of it. I was like, what is this? You know, it's like just packed it up. Cost me a lot, dude. Like a lot. I can like really. I did. I filled up their entire truck, what they call an entire load, right? So feels good. Feels good, man. So thanks, dude. Anyway. People be like, dude, is that some sort of triangle, man? Or is it a wedge? Probably both, right? I mean, whatever, okay? You waked up like that. I'm trying to just extend this. You get it there, right? Huge, man. Huge pattern. So, yeah, man, maybe. And if we fail to hit the bottom here, yeah, you might be in good shape. We just had a daily golden cross, the 28th, but that was because of this move. Everything lagged behind it. But yeah, man, not bad. Not bad. Easy enough, man. Say it was the bottom, right? We were at it. Hey, it would make sense to bottom here, right? Look left. Just a little bit of support we're working off of, right? It was once a resistance. Maybe we're using it as support now with the divergence. You might be safe. All you do is probably from the high point of this wick to the low point. Be looking for, right, whatever. 382, 50%, or the 618, whatever you want, man. Okay. Maybe the 786. And really the windfall here, I think, would be at the top of the pattern, right? You could do 618, 786, or the top. Or if you wanted to get greedy, man, you could go 382, 618, top of the pattern. Easy ways to size up profit-taking areas, right? Obviously, stop can be as tight as you want, or as loose as you want, right? You could also try to wait to see if we can get down to these areas, but with this divergence you're seeing on a daily time scale, we may never get there. Maybe not. Here's your vibe, dude. Vibe, baby, vibe. Thanks again, man. Conductor Choo Choo. Speaking of Choo Choo, not much Choo Choo here, man. Where'd it go, dude? I guess it's only showing up on the 4 hour. Yep, there it is. See, she's her power's fading, sir. It's fading. Holding on barely, dude. Okay. So yeah, I guess it's still valid since you're bouncing and back testing off of it. But dude, man, this thing should keep on selling if it wants to. All right. Yeah, really, dude. I mean, like, if you can keep bouncing and maybe show some divergence, you can. I don't know how in the heck. You got bearish convergence on the MACD right now, the lower lows, higher levels, negative momentum. You're at 35 on the RSI, meaning there's still room to run bearishly if you wanted to. So on the daily, it doesn't look too promising, does it? Oh, on the 4 hour, it doesn't look promising, excuse me. Daily, though. Hitting the 50-day moving average. 45, 44 on the RSI. No, obviously no divergence, no time. Like, really, you had a lot of bearish divergence right on the daily look. Right, a high and your higher highs. Lower levels of positive momentum. That is divergence, man. So this was what was going on. It was weak, very, very weak. Maybe you, I don't know, see, like, the thing is, you had, like, this upswing support, maybe you run down, you touch that, right? Maybe it's just a big triangle. You look at it as a triangle or a inverse head and shoulders, slanted inverse head and shoulder, right? So falling back below this trend line, very bad, probably invalid then, right? But if you can hold and just keep on staying above the 50-day moving average, you might have an opportunity. But dude, the negative momentum has just begun to build. It just started, man. Okay, and there's plenty of room to fall if Nvidia wants to. And we know, man, what's happening, dude. Well, we broke a crazy uptrend that had been going on for years, and we have not found really much demand for Nvidia as of late. Really high point to low point, we've only hit the 23% retrace. So you would expect us to run and at least hit part of the golden zone, at least the 382. But there's no demand, no one's buying, it's not going to. But you would expect a common retrace between 189 and 229. That's it on Nvidia, man. All right. Just haven't gotten it yet. What's up, Dave Wolf? Let me zoom in. What's up, Jerry Daramus, dude? What up, Bobfield, dude? Let's get that like spike going, dude. Like spike. 100 likes. Fireworks. Party time. Mardi Gras. 10-year anniversary from the bottom of the stock market, dude. Come on. That doesn't get you amped up, doesn't get your blood pumping. I don't know what will in this, you know, in the technical analysis world, right? Holy crap. Holy crap, man. What's up, bud, Greg? Hello, Elk. Chris K9. What's up, dude? There's True Stoner Man. What up, dude? Hey, Kiki. Welcome back. We missed you too, Kiki. All right. Dude, just getting through this, all right. Spiritual Audiobook says, what's up, bro? Greetings from Netherlands. When are you coming? I don't know, man. Got a trip planned to Cali this month. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you live out in the LA area and you're not crazy, maybe we can hang out. It's always possible, dude. All right. Just don't kill me. Thanks. Can we take a peek at Titty Coin? No, man. This is not Porky's, alright? It's not on TradingView. So therefore, there is no hole in the wall or door. Did you miss much? Kiki, depends. I don't know when you left, but you may have. If you... Not really, probably. If you were probably here on that... I don't think I remember you being here during the moves up. Big one's in a descending triangle on the weekly. You're bearish. What's my opinion? My opinion is I'm expecting us to retrace 78% of the way before we can take a short position to hit targets at 382 and 618, and then from there, who cares? From there, hopefully at the 618 or 382, we could run up again and then start running for that 4,400 to 5,200 range, the common zone, the golden zone we were looking for, so people can take really good short opportunities. Lower risk, higher reward. Good areas of value. Come on, man. What's up, Two Tacos? Holy crap, man. A lot of chat in here. Yard sale, dude. Just get it out, man. Just get it out. Okay. It was the purge, Greg, man. Holy crap, it was the purge. Wow, Cliff Martin, dude. This one's for you, Cliff.
Oh, it feels so good!
In my PC store, Virgus Games, pretty much, man. That's what my IT guy asked me, but they didn't get a chance. I didn't. Everything. Yeah, I wanted it all organized.
Is that a joint?
Hi Mitch, could you please look at power/BTC sim triangle that formed on January 15th to today on Bittrex? Dumpster fire and S-Coin buyer. Thanks for everything you do, every day.
Thank you, dude. Zachary. If you don't know Zachary, he's the one, man, that makes all the sweet sounds on the soundboard, dude.
Oh, it's good!
I like turtles.
Thanks, dude, for the 420 and all the help and support, dude. Gangs. Okay, so I don't think I've ever looked at, crap. What was I just on? No. That's not good. Crap. I had education set up, and now I don't know where I did the education because I guess it's not really that big a deal, but I wanted to, when I do these education segments, I like showing the low to high anchor points to give more vision on the harmonics because they're very complicated, and it's very good to have someone showing you where you anchor your fibs on each, right? Each anchor or each high to low to high. Man, where was I, dude? Is there any way to, like, a button you can click to go back to the chart you were just looking at previously on TradingView? Can anyone tell me? Because that would be really nice, man. Dang, dude. Yeah, I don't know. We're going to look at power. Either way. Bittrex. Okay, daily time scale. Oh, starting fresh, man. Clean slate. So it's like one of the other ones, man. Like, you know, anchor points. 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 and 5 up here. Solid, dude, right? Resistance. Candle close. Resistance at the heart line. Some support at the 20 or the 75. Not bad, right? So just within the parameters. Down slipping channel, right? Dang it. Doesn't look like you'll have any answer for the going back to the chart. Oh, maybe I remember. Maybe it was the S&P 500 or something. I don't know. Okay, so you're saying, what was it? Dumpster fire and S-Coin buyer. Sim triangle form. Okay. On the daily, I see the higher lows. I get what you're saying, man. I get what you're saying. You know, whatever the wick, man. What do you even do there, man? What do you even do? Okay. Sure, I guess we do have... something like this is what you're asking me. I mean, where do you... It's more like this, dude, right? You're using the wig. Okay, yeah, there you go, dude. Okay, ascending triangle, not symmetrical triangle. Okay, man, there's power on the daily. It may be an ascending triangle pattern or something, dude. You know, when you got this stuff going on, you're not getting any help, right? You got bearish convergence, right? Bullish convergence, price contraction, momentum contraction, relative strength contraction, right? Higher lows, lower highs. So that doesn't help. But hey, man, I guess dude, it's not even a valid pattern yet. I don't think, right? Close, man. Yeah, here you are, man. Pretty easy, right? Target's the top of the triangle. Measure move the pattern if it ever played out, which it's a big if, Zachary. Big freaking if. Measure move puts you way up here, dude, at like 5,000 something. That'd be like your second target or something, right? Yeah, maybe, dude. Might be worth a shot. Momo shift, right? The lows, the lower lows, the lower lows, the lowest low, the higher low, the higher low, the higher lows. Sure, man. It's a low risk, high reward opportunity, despite if it fails or not. Okay, so can't get mad if it fails. It happens. It craps out. But you know the prevailing trend is bearish, right? We recently just made all-time lows in November, so there you go. Power, man. Power. Bread and butter, a little potential triangle, right? Everything, man. So many of these coins showing some promise, at least a little. You enjoying the music in the background? Let me know. It's the first time I've ever played Fish live. Okay, man. Okay. So there's your power, dude. We're about to look at NBEV for MK. Well, let me make sure. I can do the education, get it out of the way. Can't believe it, man. I lost it. Crap. I really wanted to do that, man. So something I'm doing now, let me just show y'all before we move on. So this is going to be a thing, and it's going to take a lot more work from me. A lot. And I'm going to keep working on it. I'm going to do everything in my power. But I'm just sick and tired of having to go to Google search to find an example of a pattern for y'all. So now we're in-housing it, or I'm beginning to in-house it myself, right? Again, you just gotta be patient with me, but how about this, dude? Education, man. All right, the bullish cyber pattern. You know, this is something I did before. I was doing like education clip, but now I'm getting a little bit more deeper into it. And really, this is the education, and this is why I wanted it to be on the screen to do it initially. Because look at this. Your bullish butterflies is what I wanted to talk about today. All right. And I want my mouse cursor. I can't have my mouse cursor. It's gonna always be over. I can't do anything. So like I'm screwed. But essentially, when you hit that 1618 fib extension on the bottom, you're looking for a 382618 run for 1 and 2 targets. But so disappointing, man. And it's something that won't save either. And I had it up, man. I wish there was like a recent chart, okay? There's a history for coins or assets you were looking at on TradingView. Well, there's not. Always feels good to scale down your life. Gives you better perspective. Yeah, dude. There was just too much stuff. Had to get rid of it. It's like the first step of changing, making a change in my life. Okay. Sorry, I'm just behind now. What's up, Ron? Yeah, it's on the list. Pablo. Sure thing, Johnny Bull, man. Thanks again for the contribution, man. Appreciate it. Did you miss the Altcoin charts? No, we haven't done them yet. Remember, I'm noticing a lot of requests. I mean, like, what do you want me to do? It's like overload sometimes. So if you actually literally legitimately want something analyzed, because you're thinking about taking a trade on it, all you gotta do is tip me $3 and you go to the front of the line. $3 tip, and it's like all of a sudden like, whoa, we'll go look at that chart for you, right? So no one can really get mad at me if like I can't analyze your chart because you have like 50 different requests. Okay, just saying. Do you even loofah, Satoshi? No, I don't loofah, man. Sorry. Do I ever smile, Anthony Hardy? Yeah, dude. I smile, man. Matthew says morning from down under. Awesome, dude. Good evening to you from the States. I'm up on a mountain. Oak Mountain. So Dr. Sauce. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna take this off. My bad. Almost caught up, dude. All right. You enjoy fish more than the Grateful Dead? Wow, Bradford, dude. I don't know, dude. Dude, Jerry Garcia, I think he's much better than Trey Anastasia. Trey Anastasia, whatever. Shouldn't you ignore the wicks when designing a triangle? If I do that, then all of a sudden it's like, it doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. What do I even do, man? What do I do? No. Whatever makes the most sense. This makes some sense, dude. Makes decent sense. Thanks, Mike T. Changes coming, Peter Powell. That's right, dude. Pretty lights. People talking about pump groups, dude. Really? Really, dude? Alright, fireworks. Zachary? Dan Carver, Crypto Man. Thought we were friends, man. Okay, so best of luck to you on Power. Continuing to dump, man. Hey, continuing to dump. The rally, remember the pump, sold off 78-88% of the way, ran up. You get that rally you get all the time, 62% retrace just above it, right? Double topped, divergence, bearish divergence on both oscillators on daily time scale up here. Selling off, man. Selling off. Okay, now let's fib because it's relevant to us now. From your lowest low, best previous lowest low to your previous ISI. We have surpassed the 50% retrace, looking for 484 next. $4.84. If you can't hold that, see you on down at $4.04, right? We're below the 20 and 50 day moving average, so there is a likelihood we could try to run to test, at least to touch the 200 moving average, 200 day moving average, MK men. So yeah, bearish. Yeah. Doesn't look good to me at all, man. All right. Still plenty of, see, the problem is though, in the daily, you're almost oversold, right? That's the only issue. But there's no divergence, right? No daily bullish divergence. You're just very weak, 31. But, you know, we could always get oversold. We could retrace a little bit to get up a little bit on the relative strength, then you sell off again, right? So who cares if we so who cares if we get oversold a little bit and we retrace 38% of the way from the high to low wherever we bottom, and we'll sell off again, dude. So it seems like this thing has much more room to go. The downside. All right, you made your lower high, you confirmed to the market, dude. Just like a double top, it's confirmation to the market that this is the top. This major lower high than your previous high, it's like worse than a double top, right? It's like, yeah, this is bearish, man. Lower high, not even a double top. Okay. Now, people really talking about pump groups. Well, what is this? This 2017, man. Or early 2018. It can be, Steven, man, but it's just one variable. Remember, there's, you know, everything's relative to its variables that surround it. Okay, everything. So there's never, like, in a particular situation, it's always going to be a little bit different, right? Oh, we just surpassed the 200-day moving average. All our moving averages were really close together, so if we keep up this price action just a little bit, we'll get a golden cross. We're showing bullish divergence on a daily time scale. We are critical areas of support. This is where we started bouncing, right? I mean, like, there's just way more to answer than just yes or no. Is it bullish if a coin breaks? Yeah, of course. If it breaks above it, that's great, man, but it's not the end-all be-all. You must consider other variables. Always. Remember, it's like baking a cake, man. But it's not even about baking the cake. It's about prepping the cake before you even bake it, dude, okay? Baking is after you bought or opened a short position. That's the bake, okay? Whew. Remember to hit that like button, the bell, the sub if you're enjoying this live stream. It's Thursday, man. It's freaking Thursday. I guess so, man. Pump groups are back, dude. How do they even get enough participants now? Really? Okay, Pablo, man. There you go, dude. Low to high. Golden retrace. Touching it right now. We actually didn't even touch it here, but now we're touching it. And maybe we could start pivoting, whatever, but you're right at that over sold territory, right?
Can you look at LTC/BTC Coinbase chart? Chinese coming? Also, is there any contractors in the South Jersey/Philly area who installs drywall? If yes, say so in the chat.
Okay, you go, dude. Kills for a living. Thanks for the $4.44, man. I'm sorry. $4.44. Well, how about 4,400 subs now, ladies and gentlemen? Thank y'all all so much for the effort you put in to making this channel grow, even though, hey man, we're just but simple TA people. It's a wonderful community.
Please splash.
That boy is good.
Oh my god. Alright, thank y'all for the subs, the likes, the bells, the views, the dislikes. Whatever, man. All of it. It's been an epic journey with y'all. This is technically the 4th time I've started over, right? Started a new channel. 4th time.
Is that a joint?
Crypto. Common DM. Common DM. Thanks so much, dude, for the 100. Thanks so much for the Patreon pledge. Because when you join the Patreon, you're getting amenities like trade setups, like Discord exclusivity, my charts and stuff, right? You're getting video clips of education from the stream, hand delivered to you on the Patreon feed. It's all about supporting the content creator and the team, okay? So when you support Patreon, you're not just supporting me, you're supporting the people that help do things behind the scenes to make it all possible. So
That boy is good.
I like turtles.
thanks, dude. Really, really appreciate it. Can't wait to see you in the Discord, and hopefully you'll see you tonight, because it is Patreon night tonight. Pre-game, 30 minutes before stream. Chat with us in voice chat. It'll be fun, man. Amazing, dude. Thank you, dude. So, I've not looked at this in a really, really long time, dude. Holy crap, man. So, what was the question about this, man? Chinese coming? Oh yeah, dude. Chinese are coming, man. Definitely Chinese coming, man. If you're given that major high up here, the major high to the low, you've only surpassed 382, man.
Mitch, what's up? Been away on business. Got into Neo today at 8.82, wondering where I should get out. The last run was pretty good, thanks for the tip.
Dr. Sauce, man, thank you for the 3333 PDM course. 3333, that's the target. The target, not for Neo, but target on my back. You know, if you don't know, there is a variation tipping $33. There's a 15% chance that I have to literally chug a beer right here and there, right here and now, if it hits. And it's it. Dude, last time I think I got a 3333, it was like the first tip of the stream or something. I can't remember, but Jeff, man, Jeff got me. But thank you, Dr. Sauce, man. We will look at Neo. You got an 882. We'll see where we could go. Thank you, brother, man. Means a lot. Thanks. But, yeah, man, I think nice golden cross, everything, dude, lining up. See, there it is. Yep. There you have it, ascending, broadening wedge, just like our other pairs. All right. Really all that happened here. It ended up like this. You had a downtrend, you broke out of it, then you just had this, right? Just like all the rest, man. All the freaking rest. Right, let's see. 1 and 2 and 3, right? You just had, man, huge impulse down, then you had downsloping consolidation with it, right? And just as easily it could be like, okay. Alright, like a wedge or something. Okay. How it all ended. And it all ended what? Do we even have divergence, man? On this chart? At the end? Not here. Not here. But clearly, man, from like these low points, these lower low points, like you can see it, man. The lows, the lower lows. Right, higher levels of relative strength every time we're really making lows, right? So important, makes sense, right? Blast off. Okay, we're seeing this with other pairs right now. They're at these levels. It's crazy, man. It's really crazy to look at and see before it happens. But Litecoin, man, at 1,463 sats right now at 2%. 50% retrace is at 1597, 618, 1811. All right, that is your major retrace, dude. Okay, that's big time, big time. There's another way we can look at it. I don't know if this would work or not. Just using 1 and 2, and then 3 up here. There, yep, there you go. You broke that too. You broke that downtrend as well. Big deal, dude. So you broke multiple downsloping resistances, and you were off, man. This resistance goes back to freaking February of 2018, man. Come on, dude. Now we're running. Golden zone, here it is. Anywhere between here. All right. We gonna learn Chinese, man? Well, great possibility at this time. Look what you're seeing now. You could keep running up, of course. But I just don't know how in the freaking world you're going to be able to surpass the amount of momentum that we had before on this move up. Okay, I just don't know how you're going to do it. Doesn't seem possible, right? So divergence is setting in. You can clearly see it. Weekend's coming too, man. All right. Of course, we keep pumping. When you're hitting that top trend line and you're overbought and you're making lower levels of relative strength on higher highs, lower levels of positive momentum on higher highs, that is asking to sell off. Okay? It's coming, dude. It's coming. Not saying we're done, we're screwed. I'm just saying like a pullback is gonna be, it's pretty necessary, and it seems it's probably gonna happen soon based on this stuff. Everything we're seeing, coinciding variables. Okay, great. Beautiful though. Beautiful Momo shift, dude. Beautiful. Okay, 882 was your entry, man. What was your trading plan? 882, you got in right here. Okay. Nice. Nice. Flag. Kangs. Pivoted off the 50-day moving average, the 4-hour 200 moving average. I'm sure there's some sort of channel, man. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Dang, dude. Boy. Oh boy. What's that, man? Kind of looks like Ethereum. Wow. You're wondering where you should get out. Last run was pretty good. Yeah, dude, sure. Where you should get out if you bounce there, man. I think in the short term, it'd be prudent to maybe from a high point to low point. You're hitting 382. You're soon to be hitting a 50%. 618's $9.75. So $9.75 if you're looking at fibs. But then there's the deep retrace of 1024. All right. But you would think at least the area that everyone would be selling at is the top trend line of this very large 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 touch point rising wedge. Wow. Dude. Do y'all see this, man? Do you see it? Go up here, man. And even if you adjust, it's still... I mean, it could just be a channel at this point. But just having before that pump there, you saw it, right? You saw it. So whether it's a bear pull bear flag or a rising wedge, your best case scenario is it runs up and hits eventually $11. But could definitely crap out before then. Okay. And we could make a lower high than your previous high and sell off again and back test off $8. Also another thing that could happen. So Don't rule that out. And a lot of this price action is based on Bitcoin. What will Bitcoin do? Okay. There's your Neo, dude. Thank you again. Dr. Sauceman for the 33, repeating. Of course. Gangs, man. I guess we can get rid of these lines. They were great for us, dude. Horizontal lines, man. Implement them into your strat, into your charting, because they're beautiful, dude. You can see it clearer now, right? Dude. We've been going, man. We've been going. Holy crap. Be local on the 8th, man. Sponsored by Neo. Keanu Reeves coin. What are we doing, man? It's a new day. It's a new day in the crypto world. All right? We literally did nothing. Well, you know, we did do. What is going on here? My fibs, dude. Oh, okay, that's right. If we were to hit this area and sell off, these are the targets. Gotcha. All right, but not relative right now. It will be maybe in the future. High to low. 382. Just like, no matter what you do, man, how many times are you gonna fail? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times you're gonna fail and close the daily. Below the friggin' 382, this area that we've just been having so many troubles. We've had so much trouble breaking above over and over and over. Okay, just annoying. And it seems like that kind of stuff right there, you could just dump, right? But we you know, obviously we've seen this in these short-term little flags like this where they just run up again. And then you dump, and then you run again, dump, run again. That's how the wedge forms, right? So you could just keep going sideways a little bit longer and then run, and then that's when you anchor point 1 and 2, and then eventually 3, and then 4 up here, and that's when you get the converging upsloping trend lines. Rising wedge would be perfect in this situation because we know it's a cipher, and rising wedges happen a lot of times, tons of times. That's like the primary pattern that develops from C to D on ciphers, rising wedges. Okay. Hologram it. So, Claudio. Hey, Live Solutions, hello. Zenjez, hello, man. Not sure, Henry, man. Is that Jimmy Rexdale? It was him, dude. It was him, man. Yeah, Jimmy Ragsdale, man. Missed that guy. He got a freaking deal with Sony, and now we're all peasants, dude. Leroy Jenkins, what? That's 32.33, yeah. Not 33. 33. Maybe I should do a 32.33. Leroy Jenkins, right? Fluffy Topic, I don't believe you, man. I don't believe you, dude. That was your dream. Okay, get right, man. Yeah, that's bullish. TJO, that's bullish, man. Oh my god, people talking about that dumpster fire politician. Complete idiot, dude. Like, okay, are we gonna let this person that, like, what was a, you know, what has she done with her life to be able to tell me what I should do with mine, right? Anyway, stop talking about politics, man. Don't trigger me, dude. Okay, dude, so what we're expecting, man, either, let's go 60-minute, probably going to tell us if there's some divergence probably up here. Oh, even worse, dude. Jeez. Alright, 60-minute chart. Really just like that, man. Upsloping flag. Highs on price. Higher high. Yep, there you go, man. 60-minute bearish divergence, but I mean, it played out when we sold off, bounced off the 50 lower high than your previous high. See, that's not good, man. Lower highs than your previous highs is very bad. And 382 again, it's just that node we can't break above. And these things are hard to gauge, man. You would expect with these highs and these higher highs, you look, man, again, 60-minute bearish divergence. I'm just not sure if it's really played out yet. Can you get this, man? Sweet. So could expect to move down, but some okay support holding you up right now, I guess. But again, dude, I mean, like, yeah, I'm telling you, I've seen these short-term little upsloping flags like that. The larger ones, hey, man, they come home, right? Most of the time they come home. But these short-term ones where they pump up and you do this, there's like almost a coin's flip chance that we'll just keep on doing that and then spike up again and do the same stuff, spike up again, and that's how you get those rising wedges. Okay. What will make the most sense though is us falling out, retracing 50% or so area, and then running again to higher highs. That would be great, man. Okay. Dang, man. All right, I guess we can keep it there. It's still valid. Impulse up, upsloping consolidation. As it did. All right. Holy crap, dude. So real news, man. No, we've not done EOS. We've done a lot of other things though. We've looked at Redcoin, Dash, Walton Coin, Neo, Vibe, Nvidia, Power, Litecoin to Bitcoin, InBev, Euro to US dollar, Neo. Well, we've already said Neo, but Neo, well, I already analyzed it, but then someone contributed and we looked at it again. So 2 times, Neo. Whatever. So yeah, we looked at a lot. All right. Been live for an hour and 11 minutes. Thanks. Y'all like when I did the histogram? I changed it up. Oh, I mean, it really just went to the default. You know, this is back in my day when I had it normal. It wasn't like this. They changed it at some point, and so it looks pretty cool. You know, the darker colors, I mean, I guess signify more volume involved, and then there's lighter colors for the lighter volume involved, probably. Yeah, it looks like it. Yep, high volume, darker shades. Interesting. It's cool. BNB to B T freaking C. This is how Larley had it drawn, right? We could just do something like this. There you go, man. Enjoy yourself some nice Irwin coffee, man. Irwin coffee on BNB to BTC, as we're very close, pretty much hitting the measured move of our cup with handle. Wilkowski be proud. Fireworks, baby. There you go, dude. A perfect Irwin coffee cup with handle pattern. No kappa. All right, you get it. Surpass the 1618 fib extension, man. You're in outer space, dude, and you're about to hit 40,000 sats unless you have. Nope, you never even hit 40,000. You're gonna be there though. That's really the psychological resistance, and people take profit before you get there because they know that they don't want to get screwed. Thanks, Lynn Marito. That's right, King Logan. Jeez, man. Not your run-of-the-mill, man. Not very good rounding action, but look, man. June 17 high to November 26 low, it all turned around, and then you broke, obviously, the the horizontal line resistance, and you were gone, man. You were freaking gone. Surpassed the 1618, the golden mean ratio, and the top trend line of the ascending broadening wedge. And these are areas, man, where people are taking profits on a measured move of a crazy pattern. That's it. Hey, Coach K, ultra interesting Jesus, man. Coach K, man, you're being rivaled by BNB. Jiren. This is Jiren. Coach K, man. Don't get ready. Oh, live coin watch. Live coin watch. That's what we're supposed to. I think that's what they do in live coin watch videos. They just scream and yell, okay, and try to make it more exciting than it is. We're literally watching coins right now. Hey, man. Yeah, Silica, dude. Silica. We hit our entry, right? I believe we did. Right around there. Yeah, that entry, right? Now, we said there were other areas, but you had the falling wedge there, right? Fill, man, falling wedge, you had downsloping resistance, you've now broken it. But you're just at that 50 moving average and the heart line of the downsloping channel you're in. Now, it's a lot of fibs, dude. A lot of fibs. But we got to have them both, man. So the fibs down here, 786 retrace from the low point to the high point. We've retraced about 78% of the way. Okay, so you know that 78% retrace from the low to high. So now it's like if that was the bottom, if that was in fact the bottom from the high to low, a 23% retrace is at 480 sats, very far off. I mean, just to get to your most shallow retrace, that's a long way away. And 382, it's even crazier, man. You'd have to break out of downsloping channel to get up there. 517, 50%, 546. All right, so just look left, man. It was an inverse head and shoulders, man. Whatever, dude. You can call that if you want. It doesn't look that great. But we do know that just looking left, man, horizontal line support. There's even better support down here at 388, 389. We may never get there because of the pattern of exhaustion and the bullish divergence we're getting on a daily time scale. But that's it, man. Cool, dude. There's your Zilica. Substitute Tacos, man. President of Puerto Rico, man. I'm not a citizen of Puerto Rico, so I can't be president, man. Sorry. Thanks, Eric Jackson, man. Appreciate it, dude. We'll see, James Richard Jones, man. We'll see, dude. Hey, Munter, man. The Munter. Much appreciated, man. Thanks for noticing, dude. How old do I like? Chad, how old do I look with no beard? Seriously, like legit age. Okay. I'm just curious, I guess, right? Since we got an audience and whatever, right? This one kind of reminds me of Ravencoin. KNC. It's like a channel. You had a false breakout of the channel. You also just broke out 1 and 2. You're out, right? You broke out. You back tested now. Higher lows than your previous lows. 1272 fib extension on KNC Kyber network. All right, dudes. What happened, man? It's like Ravencoin. It's like the same chart before Ravencoin took off. That's exactly what KNC's doing right now, dude. All right. How'd I get this fib extension from your major low, talking March of 2018 all the way to the high, right at that 1272 bottoming, and we're making higher lows now. Momo shift. It's occurring. Be ready on Kyber, dude. I'm not kidding. I'm not joking here, dude. Ugh, it didn't show up. Crap. Let me go back real quick. Fix that. There you go, man. You can see it, dude. You can see it, and you know, man, like, look. What's going on? Low, slightly lower low, scrubby, slightly lower low, higher levels of relative strength. Bullish divergence at a 1272 fib extension with a pattern that signifies reversal inherently. But, man, there you are, the 200-day moving average, respecting it, saying, no, we're not strong enough. Even with all this volume, we just can't do it. Stop being a scrub, okay? You could be destined for glory and greatness. Crazy runs, man. Alright, do that, man. Target from this major high to the low point. Targets are way up here, man. KNC, dude. Keep your eye on KNC. Set up your alerts, whatever. What's up, Ball Marcello? 32. 34. No, I'm younger than those ages. That's... Thanks for making me feel terrible. And thanks for the 2 people that participated, I guess. All right. Okay. Well, whatever, man. I guess I could just keep doing S coins all day, but so I'll do is just get out of here, man. All right. I'll be be back tonight. Thanks so much, Dr. Sauce, Kills for a Living, Zachary, Skyward, Johnny Bull, and the Conductor. Thank y'all for the contributions today. Really appreciate it. And thank you. Thank you, Crypto Compendium. Thank you so much, dude, for the Patreon pledge, man. Really appreciate it. Alright, so I'll be back tonight, 11 Eastern. Until next time, respect the TA.